Hola guys, today we are in Canary Islands where the Missy is from, and well, we're discovering. We took the car and went to the mountain. We are going now to see a small, like let's say river, but it's dry now.
It's a very small one. We call it Barranco, and we are now in Juncal de Tejeda, in the north of the island. Well, in the center of the island, I will say.
We'll show you what we can find, and we've seen so many aloe veras.
Yeah, we are very rich in aloe vera plants, so if you guys want some, you have to come to
But
Canary.
just for you to know, okay, your home aloe vera is like thick and full of water. Here, they're thin. The only one place you'll find the oil or the liquid is in the middle of it. So find the big plant, not the small one. You won't find much in the small one.
Look, so many.
I'm trying to find the way down.
Yeah.
Okay, we lost the way, so they're helping us find it. By the way, the dog's name is Fly.
Fly, yeah. Ah, claro, te metes por todo este barullo.
This behind me is a cave. I'm going to try to get us inside one of them, but it's not easy. Most of them are locked. Most of the houses here have caves behind them, or there's a cave and they build a house connected to the cave on the front. It's really nice. I want to just see one of them, how it is inside. Most of them has been like made bigger by hand.
Ay, qué rico, por Dios. Esto es la vida. Uy. Ay, what do you think we spend the rest of our vacation, Miguel? ¿Cómo pasaste ahí, Miguel?
The dog is the most excited one.
¿Me hace una foto, Miguel, aquí? ¡Qué rico! I'm gonna move here, Alan. What do you think?
Okay, honey.